Welcome to this full review of Ginmon Robo-advisor for investing. Links to the platform are provided in the description below for your convenience. Ginmon is a German-based robo-advisor designed for individuals who want a more personalized and diversified investment approach. It's well suited for people looking for a long-term investment strategy with minimal hands-on involvement while still benefiting from a tailored experience. One of the key features of Ginmon is its personalized portfolio management. After a quick and easy risk assessment questionnaire, Ginmon creates a portfolio tailored to your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The platform invests primarily in ETFs, focusing on global diversification. The goal is to maximize returns while minimizing risks, using a variety of asset classes like equities, bonds, and commodities. A standout strength of Ginmon is its dynamic rebalancing system. The platform doesn't just create a portfolio and leave it there. It monitors market trends and adjusts your investments as needed to keep your portfolio aligned with your goals. This makes it a great choice for those who want a more hands-off approach, but still want to stay on top of market shifts. The fees are reasonable for a robo-advisor, starting at just 0.75% per year, which is competitive within the industry. However, for investors with smaller portfolios, the fees can feel a bit higher compared to some other robo-advisors that offer lower costs or even free management for smaller accounts. Another minor drawback is that Ginmon is currently only available in German-speaking countries, limiting its accessibility for international investors. In conclusion, Ginmon is a solid choice for investors who want a customized investment experience with minimal effort. The dynamic rebalancing, global diversification, and reasonable fees make it an attractive option for long-term investors. However, if you're looking for a low-cost, no-frills robo-advisor or live outside of Germany, it may not be the best fit. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more about Ginmon and how it can help with your investment goals.